Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chaga extract, an easy guide to creating your own potent wellness tonic. We'll cover the entire process, from preparing your chaga to the final steps of combining your extracts. This method ensures you get the most beneficial compounds from this incredible mushroom. Get ready to boost your health with a homemade remedy that's both effective and rewarding to create. Our first step is the alcohol extraction, which pulls out compounds not soluble in water. Begin by grinding your dried chaga into a fine powder. This increases the surface area for better extraction. Next, combine the chaga powder with high-proof alcohol, like grain alcohol, in a sealed jar. Let this mixture steep for at least 4 to 6 weeks, shaking it gently every day to ensure thorough infusion. This creates a powerful tincture. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more wellness tips. And on another note, just as we invest in our health, investing in our financial well-being is crucial. I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the water extraction, which captures different beneficial compounds. First, strain your alcohol mixture, carefully separating the liquid from the chaga solids. Keep both. Next, take those chaga solids and simmer them in distilled water for several hours, allowing the water to absorb the remaining nutrients. Finally, gently reduce this water extract to concentrate its potency. This dual approach ensures a comprehensive and powerful final product.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.